Hey dear students, and welcome back. So here in this video we are going to study HCF and LCM, right? HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for least common multiple. We all know this much, right? That HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for least common multiple, and we also know the meaning of factors and multiple. This has already been taught to you in our previous classes. So let's understand how to find out HCF and LCM. So I am taking two numbers, 16 and 36 I am taking here to find out the HCF and LCM of these two numbers. What you have to do, you have to first find out the prime factors of 16 and 36. If you have provided with numbers to find out their HCF, first what you have to do, you have to find out their prime factorization, right? So first let me find out the prime factorization of 16. So divided by 2, then it comes 8, then again by 2, then it comes 4, then again by 2 it will become 2, and then by 2 it will become 1. So the prime factorization of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? And let me also find out the prime factorization of 36. So again by 2 it will go 18 times, then by 2 it will go 9 times, then by 3 it will go 3 times, then by 3 it will go 1 time. So this 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these are your prime factors now. Now this prime factorization can also be written as 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4, and this 36 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. Is it clear? Now to find out HCF, what you have to do, you have to take the common prime factor with the least power. The common prime factor here is 2, because that is occurring in the prime factorization of 16 as well as in the prime factorization of 36. So here the common prime factor is 2, and you have to take it with the least power. HCF will be the prime factors, all the prime factor, the product of all the prime factors taken with their smallest power. So here the prime factor is 2 and the power of 2, it will be 2 because that is the smallest power, because here the power of 2 is 4 and here the power of 2 is 2. So we are going to consider it with the least power. So the HCF will become 4. So the HCF is 4. Is it clear? I hope this is clear to you guys. So how to find out the LCM? Now in LCM, what you are going to do is you are going to take all the common factors, with their highest power, and multiply it with the remaining prime factors, with whatever power they are having, right? So here the common prime factor is 2, but we have to now take 2 with the highest power. So the highest power available is 2 raised to the power 4, and you have to multiply it with all the remaining prime factors with whatever power they are having. So here the remaining prime factor is now 3, so it will be multiplied with 3 with the power 2. So it will become 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 2, that is 16 into 9. So here this is your LCM. Is it clear? So I hope you have got it, right? So the way of finding out HCF will be product of common prime factors with their smallest power, right? So this is how you can find out the HCF. Is it clear? To find out HCF, it is a product of common prime factors with their smallest power. Now how to find out LCM? LCM will be same till here, that is it should be like the product of common prime factors with their highest power and all the remaining prime factors their respective powers. Is it clear? So to find out the HCF, you have to find out the product of the prime factors with their smallest powers, and to find out LCM, you have to find out the product of common prime factors with their highest power, and you have to multiply it to all the remaining prime factors with their respective powers. जो भी उनकी पावर हो उनके साथ आप उसको multiply कर दो, right? So I hope this was clear, and now you can find out the HCF and LCM of the numbers. Is it clear? Thank you.